Exciting news for smartphone enthusiasts. The Infinix Zero Flip, the brand's first foldable smartphone, has officially launched in India. Available in Blossom Blue and Rock Black, it comes in a single 8GB, 256GB configuration, priced at INR 54,999 $655, 600 euros. However, during the special launch period starting October 24th on Flipkart, it will be available for just INR 49,999 $595, 550 euros. The Infinix Zero Flip is powered by the Dimensity 8020 SoC and runs on Android 14-based XOS 14.5, with a promise of OS upgrades up to Android 16 and 3 years of security updates. It features a stunning 6.9 inches Full HD Plus LTPO AMOLED folding display with a 120Hz refresh rate and impressive peak brightness of 1400 nits. The cover display is a 3.64 AMOLED panel, also with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1100 nits peak brightness. For photography, the Zero Flip boasts 350MP cameras, primary, ultra-wide, and a selfie camera capable of recording 4K videos at 60 FPS. Plus, it seamlessly integrates with GoPro cameras. Other notable features include stereo speakers with high-res audio support tuned by JBL, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, NFC, and a 4720 mAh battery with 700 wired and 100 reverse charging support.